To secure an AWS Amplify custom domain, start by understanding the importance of SSL certificates in encrypting data transmitted between the client and server. AWS Amplify provides an SSL certificate for the default domain. But for custom domains, you need to obtain and configure an SSL certificate manually. First, create an SSL certificate using AWS Certificate Manager or import an existing certificate from a third-party issuer. When creating a certificate, ensure you validate domain ownership by either email or DNS. Once you have the SSL certificate, navigate to the AWS Amplify console and select your app. Then, click on the Domain Management tab and choose the custom domain you want to secure. Click on the Edit button next to the custom domain and select the SSL certificate you created or imported earlier. After configuring the SSL certificate, update your DNS settings to point to the AWS Amplify domain. You can do this by creating a CNAME record or an A record. Depending on your DNS provider, the CNAME record should point to the AWS Amplify domain, and the A record should point to the IP address provided by AWS Amplify. To further enhance security, enable HTTPS redirection for your custom domain. This ensures that all traffic is redirected from HTTP to HTTPS, providing an additional layer of security. You can do this by selecting the custom domain in the AWS Amplify console and clicking on the Edit button next to the domain. Then selecting the Redirect All Requests to HTTPS option. Best practices for securing an AWS Amplify custom domain include using a valid SSL certificate, updating DNS settings regularly, and monitoring your app for security issues. Additionally, ensure you renew your SSL certificate before it expires to avoid any downtime or security issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can secure your AWS Amplify custom domain and provide a safe and trusted experience for your users.